In this video, we will learn how to insert shapes in Word document. So let's start. Go to the Insert tab, top of the screen, and look for the Illustrations group. Just click on the Shapes option. Here, the number of shapes option available: lines, rectangular, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flow chart, call out, and star and banners. The recent use shapes is see here you can, and you can new drawing canva also available. You can draw your shapes also. So I select the rectangular shapes. I set here. Okay, so these are the rectangular shapes. When you insert the shapes in Word document, the shape format tab is automatically added here. There are number of formatting options for shapes, so you can use the different shape style here. Okay, so I select this one. You can feel the shape color, different color, so you can feel here. You can use the shape effects, the 3D effect, rotation effects you can use here. Okay, and other formatting option also available: the position, bring format, send backward, selection pen. There is a number of, and there's one formatting option is size. You can change the size also. See the changes on the shapes when I click on the size. Okay, you can set the size those you want. Okay, so this is a way you can insert the shapes in Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.